loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Shalmith Mbinya. Karibu sana, feel at home. And for the returning subscribers, you are the real OGs. I love you so much, guys. So guys, in my previous videos, you do quite remember, if you watched it, I said that my emotions were all over the place, and somehow for those 2 weeks I neglected my home, and right now it looks a mess. So today's video, we are going to clean up my home together with you and organize a few things, because this mess that is around here, I don't know I managed to live in this space like that. So guys, let me show you how messed up it looks, and then we are going to clean together and organize together. Let me just look quickly how my house looks like, because I've already said that it is a mess. I've just woken up and I've removed some of the beddings, remaining the pillowcases. Now this has to be removed, and the beddings, I'm going to wash them. The only thing I'm not going to wash is my duvet. Now on this TV stand, it's a mess. I need to wipe it and also organize it, because I don't know what is happening. Just ignore whatever you have seen. Right, I put my handbags, some of the handbags, but I don't know where they are, but they're in this house. And on my wardrobe, the only thing that is quite okay is this sector that I put my trousers and my daily clothes. Down there is a mess. Like, it's just a mess. And my table, a little bit messy. And then where I put also my shoes, I need to arrange and remove whatever that is. And also this carpet, it hasn't been swept for like two weeks, so I need to do something about it. And then my one bag is here. And then these, I'll have to remove the cushions, wipe them, and also the hands, I'll also have to clean them up. Yes, so, and I also have to remove these carpets so that I wash the tiles. So guys, let's get to the cleaning part.
You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest ground, the gravity pulls you straight down. You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest ground, the gravity pulls you straight down. You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest ground, the gravity pulls you straight down. You should grow feathers and see this too.